Pyro Nation. We're coming at you with a brand I've never personally shot before. OMNI Fireworks. A little cartoon logo of a guy right there. It is called Tectonic. The tectonic plates causing the freaking earthquakes. So it looks like we're going to have a fan cake. As you see that faces towards your spectators, which means we have some angled tubes, and I can see them and feel them right there. They are on the sides. It's like lava. Alright, so it's up to 500 grams. It is 20 shots. It is 20 shots with blue mine of blue with red strobe, green mine of golden wave, and green glitter with whistles. Ooh, I like the whistle. Yeah. Fan-shaped white glitter mine with thick red, white, and blue glitter. Fan-shaped golden time rain to crackling red, blue, gold time rain. Sounds like it could be decent. A very, very, you know, I mean, I guess it kind of gets like mine and rain effect going on with this volcano right here. But we'll see. Tectonic. First time using OMNI Fireworks. Let's see how they hold up. Let's go. Oh, nice blue. That's nice. That's a nice blue. Blue gold. Very nice. I love that whistle.